Your dashboard lights suddenly stopped working. No speedometer, no warning lights, no backlight at night. Before you spend hundreds at a mechanic or replace the whole instrument cluster, watch this video first. Because in many cases, the problem is just a blown fuse, bad ground, weak battery, or one simple wiring issue you can fix yourself at home. Today, I'll show you the real causes, step-by-step diagnosis, and easy fixes for dashboard lights that won't turn on. Hey guys, welcome back to FixPro Garage, where we fix cars fast, simple, and without wasting money. Today we're diagnosing one of the most annoying electrical problems, dashboard lights not turning on. Let's get started. 1. Understand the problem. First, there are two common situations. Dashboard completely dead. Dashboard works, but lights don't illuminate at night. Both problems have different causes. 2. Check the battery first. A weak battery can cause dashboard systems to fail completely. If the battery voltage is low, dash lights may flicker, the cluster may stay dark, gauges may stop working, so always start with the battery. With engine OFF, battery voltage should be around 12.6 volts. Anything below 12 volts can create electrical problems. 3. Check the fuses. One blown fuse can shut down the entire dashboard lighting system. Usually the fuse box has labels like cluster, dash, illumination, meter, interior lights. Never just look quickly. Sometimes the fuse crack is tiny. Use a test light or multimeter for proper testing. 4. Dimmer switch problem. Here's a super common problem most people miss. The dashboard dimmer switch. Sometimes it gets turned all the way down accidentally. Then the dashboard lights appear completely dead. Try rotating the dimmer fully upward while headlights are on. 5. Headlight switch failure. In many vehicles, dashboard illumination depends on the headlight switch. If the switch fails, dash lights stop working. Parking lights may fail. Interior illumination may disappear. 6. Bad ground connection. Ground connections are critical in every electrical system. A loose or rusty ground can cause flickering dashboard, random warning lights, complete cluster failure. Many dashboard problems disappear after cleaning a single ground connection. 7. Instrument cluster failure. If all fuses and wiring are good, the instrument cluster itself may be failing. Common causes include burned circuit boards, failed capacitors, cracked solder joints. 8. BCM-OR, ECM, OR, ECM, ECM-REC, ECM-RE, UCM-ACM, ECU, body control module. If communication fails, the dashboard may stay completely blank. This is where a scan tool becomes extremely helpful. 9. Water damage and wiring issues. Water leaks inside the dashboard area can destroy connectors and wiring. 10. Quick DIY tests. Before replacing expensive parts, try these quick checks. Battery voltage, dash fuse, dimmer switch, ground wires, headlight switch. Scan for codes. If your dashboard lights won't turn on, don't panic. Most of the time, the fix is simple. Fuse, battery, ground, dimmer switch. Start with the basics before replacing expensive modules. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment your car model below. This is FixPro Garage. See you in the next repair video.